Aloha, bitches. Good morning. How are you? I'm having breakfast. Yeah. Cheerios of the honey nut variety. Perfect. So what I got going on today, other than my toasty O's, out of the freezer, 1.8 kg, I have round beef. Very lean, tough, not so great fucking cut, but hey. Cut it in half, it was larger, and then froze both pieces. So, this one is going on the barbecue. And, 1.8 kgs, like that's like, I don't know, almost 4 pounds. Almost. Simple, SPG. Oh, cheers, big ears. I'm doing a 4-to-1 ratio. That's good. What I got going on here, I got 200 grams Pink Himalayan salt. I've got 80 grams of just normal black peppercorns. I've got 20 grams of Szechuan peppercorns. And just over 50, about 55 grams, so it's a little over 50, of garlic powder. That's what I'm doing. You fuckers don't like that? Do whatever you gotta do. I'm just gonna, keep being fucking cheery with my Cheerios. So I gotta grind up these peppercorns. You know how to do that, eh? Coffee grinder or whatever the fuck you got. I gotta go light the barbecue. I got a lot of shit to do. It's cool out, it's only 10 degrees, but that's actually the normal high of the day this time of year. Going up to 25, 26. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Sorry for the voiceover, but I'm preventing an argument, so deal with it. Here you go. Grinding up the pepper. Easy. Grind it to whatever consistency or coarseness that you desire. I got my desire. Mix her all up. Give her a mixeroo. Bingo fucking zingo. There you go. I'll just put it in this little container here. Scooperoo. Oh, here you go. Bam. Perfect. You got a lot of SPG. Oh, look out. Wipe that shit away. For a bunch of cooks. So our meat has been washed and kind of dried off. Time to lube it up. Make sure you lube your meat real good. Put some oil on there. Slip sliding away. Oh yeah. Get your meat nice and glistening. There you go. You know how to apply the rub, right? Just give her a sprinkle of rub. Bingo zingo, and you're not going to see the whole thing. It's just, continue on. Oh, here you go. That's how my bottom vent is going to be set. Put in my charcoal basket, and of course not everybody's going to have one of these, so do your charcoal setup however you want to do it. Mess around with it all you want. Play with your briquettes. No, I got a piece of pecan wood. How do they get pecan wood? Do a bunch of people just pee in a can and it turns to wood and you get pecan wood? I don't know. Cheers, big ears. Got a few, 4 or 5 briquettes lit. Dump them right in there. Hot, 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 hot. Hot, hot. Get our cover in here. What do we call that thing? A pizza stone. We get some thermal mass. Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue, he likes the thermal mass. Water pan, fill that up. Oh, shut down the vents to about just over half. There's our meat with all the rub on it. Nice. Give her a pokeroo. Pokeroo! It's been, I don't know, I can't remember how long this was. After a couple hours. Cheers, big ears. I'll give her a spritz. Oh, it looks nice, eh? I'll fill that water pan back up, too. Golf, Leafs, golf. Oh, guess what? I started playing Fallout, and next thing you know, I forgot that I was cooking because I was really high. There it is. Let's go inside and wrap that up. Cheers, big ears. Now, I should have done what I normally do, and when I hit 165, pull that thing into either wrap it or put it into a pan and cover it. But I forgot. Oh, we got Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue special. Zing zing and an elbow shot for Elbow Boy. Where's Heavy Metal Barbecue? He's gone. So I'm surprised that it wasn't more dry than it was, but there actually was a bit of fucking juice in there. I didn't make this for making sandwiches or anything. I had two specific recipes I was going to use this meat for. Got some horseradish there. Let's try that out. It was really, really tasty. Not a huge smoke ring, but oh well. Hold on a second. What do we need? Oh, need some mustard on there. Fuck yeah. Good old fucking Frenches, eh? Fat. The only thing missing is a beer. Alright, you've seen enough eating. Let's start to rip this thing apart. There you go. Scrapey, scrapey. So all in all, even though it was a really crappy cut of meat, I'm very happy with what I got out of it. And stay tuned for one of the recipes that I'll be using this meat in. That video will be coming out soon. There you go. Alright, bitches. Do it. Make it. Or make something else. Or don't make anything. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and fuck right off. Woo.